Take a ride in the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats, bed liner, heated steering wheel, compass, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, panic alarm, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.